Hi everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain about how to display these four patterns in an easy way. See, just try to understand every pattern. Each row we need to print with values so that you will get the output. Each row. Look at this. Sometimes each row starting from same value, but sometimes each row starting from different value. Okay. Let me write two lines here. Just let me draw two lines here. One is a straight line. Everywhere one is a straight line. And one is a cross line. One is a cross line to make you more understandable. Now look at this straight line and cross line. Straight line is a starting point and the cross line is a ending point. Cross line is a ending point of each pattern, nothing but each row. Now can you please tell, here every row starting with a different value. I mean, same value, that is 1. That is 1. Here every row starting with 1. But every row starting with a different value. Look at this, every row ending with 1. Ending with a 1. Here every row ending with a 5. Try to understand. Once again I am telling, look at this. Each row starting with the same value. Each row starting with the same value. But each row different, starting with a different value. But look at the ending point. Ending with the same value. 1. Here ending with the same value, that is 5. That is 5. Now, another row is there. No? Another row, that is different row. See, look at this. 1 ending with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is actually called outer loop. Write outer loop for I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. Nothing but I value here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will come inside with these values only now. So this is I. And look at this. Now I just consider this I. Now I value 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please write in reverse order. For I equals to 5, I greater than or equals to 1, I minus minus. You need to understand greater than and less than, positive and negative, increasing order and decreasing order. Look at this. This is I because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Different values starting with. So for I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. And this one also I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. First concentrate on outer loop only. This here cross line is outer loop. Cross line is outer loop. Straight line is outer loop. Straight line is outer loop. So why? Look at the values. Different values are there. Those are. Now you need to think about inner loop. Inner loop, that is J, is always for printing. J is always for printing. Look at this. Now you need to concentrate on every row starting with 1. So J value starting with 1. Here every row starting with 1. Every row starting with 1. So here also J value starting with 1. But here every row starting with the same value, no? different value, that is I. So for j value starting with I, here also every row starting with a different value. So for j value starting with I, starting with I. Okay. Next, what is ending with? See, starting with 1, ending with I. But sir, j less than or greater than? See, increasing order. Each row increasing order. J less than or equals to I. J plus plus is increasing. Sir, here increasing order or decreasing order? Increasing order. Ending with I. J less than or equals to I. This one is very, very important. But look at this. Starting with I, ending with 1. Look at every row is decreasing order. So J greater than or equal to 1. J minus minus decreasing. Here every row increasing order. Look at the values. So J less than or equals to 5. J plus plus. While writing the inner loop, you need to concentrate here only. Here it is increasing order means plus plus. Increasing order plus plus. Decreasing order minus minus. Increasing order plus plus. Plus plus means less than or equal to. Decreasing order means greater than. Plus plus means less than. Look at this here also. Decreasing means greater than. Plus plus means less than. These are the basic for loop things. How to repeat the loop from 1 to 5 and how to repeat the loop from 5 to 1 you need to understand. That is. And finally, you need to display, print, j value you need to display. After that, you know that how to send the control to next line. Based on your programming language, you can use it. So now let me show you how these codes execute practically. I'm using that online compiler. Suppose Java I am taking. The first one, I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. I'm following the first one. What is that? I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. J equals to 1, J less than or equals to I, J plus plus. J equals to 1, J less than or equals to I, J plus plus. When you print J, it will print the first one. Look at the output, the first one printing. Suppose I am going to print the second one. Outer loop I5 to 1. I equals to 5 to 1. Decreasing order means greater than or equals to. If you miss these things, infinite iterations will display. Look at this. The second one is the output. Second one. Now here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I value as usual starting from 1 less than or equals to 5. I plus plus. Inner loop I to 1. J equals to I. J greater than or equals to 1. J minus minus. So look at the third one output. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is how the programs you need to define the code. Okay. So please practice and subscribe to the channel.